Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to copy Discord profile link on mobile phone. To copy Discord profile link on mobile phone, first open your Discord application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be directly taken to the servers. Tap on the arrow icon at top left corner. Then tap on View option at down right corner. Here you can see your profile. Tap on settings icon at top right corner. Now scroll down, then under app settings you can see advanced. Tap on advanced. Now under general you can see developer mode. Tap on this small notch near developer mode so that you can switch your developer mode on. After your developer mode gets on, now go back to your profile. Then tap on servers at down left corner. Now make sure that you are connected to any one of the servers. Then tap on any one of the server. Then tap on your profile name. For that you have to send a message on the server. After you tap on the profile name, tap on three dots. Then tap on copy user ID at second. With that, your user ID will be copied. Now go to any note-taking application on your mobile phone. Then type in discordapp.com/users/ then paste the profile code that you have just copied. With that, now you'll be able to create your profile link. Now you can tap on all the letters and copy the given code. You can also tap in any browser and you can see that it will direct you to your profile. As you can see here, the link has directed me to my own profile. This is how we can copy Discord profile link on mobile phone. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.